How to convert a picture to PDF on iPhone. To convert a picture to PDF on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Photos on your iPhone. Once you're in, you can view all your media from here. Now, open a photo from here. Then, go to this share icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now, find the Save to Files option from the menu. Once you find it, tap on it. Then, select the location of the file and tap on Save at the top right corner of your screen. Now, the photo is saved in your files. Minimize the application. And look for Files on your iPhone. Once you are there, open it. Then, select the On My iPhone folder. Open it. Then, go to Download. Here, you will find the photo that you have saved recently. Long tap on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Quick Actions. An extended menu will appear. Tap on Create PDF. A copy of the photo will be generated. Open the photo. Then, tap on this section over here. A detailed menu will appear on your screen. As you can see, the photo has already been converted to PDF format. By following these simple steps, you can easily convert a picture to PDF on an iPhone.